faithful and true to each other as long as you both shall live. Together, you have already made promises to love each other, but the vows that you're about to exchange are more than just romantic words. These vows are your gifts of yourselves and your lives, and we all stand together here as witnesses as the two of them will exchange their vows. Okay? Unto each other. Unto each other.
Unto each other.
Kamu kumaro.
Unto each other, we pledge to be one from this day forward, to be there for each other in times of abundance and deep need, in times of sickness and health, in times of joy and sorrow, in times of failure and triumph, to love each other complete for all, completely for all eternity.
Kiss each other. In honor of these vows, the bride and groom wish to exchange rings that will serve as a symbol of the wholeness of the words we speak today and of the love for each other that they will carry with them. The wedding rings are the outward and visible sign of an inward and spiritual bond which unites two loyal hearts in an endless love. The circles are designed without an ending, so they speak of eternity. Samson, Akikuha ng ring for Annalisa ring. Sing. Okay. Left ring finger. Left. Yan.
Tagalan na, tagalan.
And follow after me, ah. Okay. I give you this ring, Samson,
I give you this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of our lifelong commitment,
of my life,
a sign of our love
sign of love
and faithfulness,
and faithfulness,
to remind me
to remind me
of the vows
of the vows
I have spoken
I have spoken
and my pledge
and my pledge
to honor you
to honor you
for the rest
for the rest
of our lives together.
of our lives together.
Sige, sunod. Okay. Narisa. Left ring finger of someone. Left. Okay, follow after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a seal upon the marriage vows. As a seal
as a seal
upon
upon
the marriage
the marriage
vows
vows
I made.
I made,
And as you wear it,
and as you worry,
may I remind you
may I remind you
of my love,
of my love,
not only
not only
on this precious day,
on
on this precious day,
precious day,
but
but
every
every
single day
single day
of our lives.
other lives.
Sige, sagot. May these rings be from this day forward your most treasured adornment, and may the love they symbolize be your most precious possession. Pakikuha ng aras. Follow after me. Samson, I give you
I give you
this array
this array
as a pledge
as a pledge
of my dedication
and dedication
to your welfare.
to all your welfare.
Okay. And I accept. Okay, give it to her. Okay. As a pledge. Tago mo yan, Annalisa, ha? For life. Baka kasi wala kayong pera eh. Kasi gusto nyo, ha? Hindi. Hindi yan hindi. Aras yan. For friends, ninongs, ninangs, you represent the families and friends that have brought Samson and Annalisa to this point in their lives. Always stand beside them, never between them. Offer them your love and support, not your judgment. Encourage them with your kindness and loving hearts, and honor this marriage into which they have come to be joined today. Please affirm your support by responding with tuha, mga ninong ha, ninang. Okay. Ang tubag ani, yes, tagyapon. Okay? Do you witnesses attest that Samson and Annalisa have indeed freely exchanged marriage promises and are therefore so now about in the band of marriage? As part of our community that surrounds Samson as a new couple and support them with your love and concern. In behalf of the Republic